And then you gotta walk with balloons real slow behind me.
A weird walk.
I'm recording over here.
Oh, hello everyone. We are at Hollywood Studios tonight for Moonlight Magic. This is the first one I think that has ever happened at Hollywood Studios, and I'm holding Josh's coffee, but we're about to go do Star Tours because it's a 5-minute wait. We are now about to get on Tower of Terror. It's after 8 o'clock, so the park has closed. There's nobody around. It's really creepy. There's like all these like ghost noises all around.
The elevator is not moving.
Alright, so if you guys don't know, Moonlight Magic is something that is set aside for Disney Vacation Club members. Very fortunate for us, we actually weren't able to get in with using our membership this time because it sold out very, very quickly. But we did have some friends who helped get us into the party tonight because they had some extra tickets. And so that's why we're here. And we just got off of Tower of Terror, no wait. We almost had an entire car to ourselves, and it actually got stopped in the shaft, which is pretty crazy. And I'm pretty sure Taylor did not mention this earlier, but we're actually not here by ourselves either. Our good friends Don and Elliot are here. They are here from New York. Elliot actually doesn't like riding these kinds of rides, so he's actually going to wait inside, I think, in the gift shop while we go and tackle Rock and Roller Coaster. Because again, it's like a 10-minute wait, so why not?
Bye.
Bye.
Why are you shaving me?
There's nobody in here. No one. We skipped the pre-show.
So we are inside of like the game room area next to Path of the Jedi, and they're doing a special meet and greet with Oswald. If you don't know, Oswald has officially left Disneyland, and I don't know if he's actually coming to Walt Disney World, but he's here for tonight, and they're actually not listing him on the map, which is really great because
we found out from a cast member at Starbucks.
Yeah, that means that the line probably won't get super long, which is nice.
Hopefully not.
But yeah,
it's not too bad so far. So
we've never met him before, so we're gonna meet him. Alright, so one of the really great benefits of Moonlight Magic is that you get a little voucher to get a meal. And there are several locations on there. Some of them close earlier than others. We're here at the Baglot Express, and basically you can get anything that's on the menu. You can get one entree and then a fountain beverage, which is really nice because here I think they actually have the fountain machine so that you can get basically unlimited refills. I'm going to do one of the most awkward interactions that I've ever done, which is meeting BB-8. I think it's only supposed to be like a 5-minute wait. Of pure awkwardness. So tonight has basically been like a meet and greet of characters, which has been great. There's a lot of characters out that you can meet. But one thing that's been really nice, which I think most of the crowd is actually in Toy Story Land, so the rest of Hollywood Studios is actually pretty, like, low crowd levels, I guess. Yeah, I mean, it's empty, basically. Let me say that again, because I just got made fun of. But the park is, like, almost empty, which is really nice. Pretty much all the meet and greets are pretty quick. I think we waited the longest for Clarabelle, which is actually really kind of surprising. I didn't think that she was that popular, but she must be. But it's a lot of fun.
What you got there, Taylor?
I got some ice cream, and I dropped some of it on the ground.
Saving some for later.
So we just waited in line for Slinky Dog because there's no fast pass, just stand by here. Maybe 20 minutes. And we got the back row. Didn't even have to ask.
It's Donald's first time.
First time. Ready to go.
First timer here.
All right, so we have finished at Moonlight Magic tonight, which is actually really good. I think this was my favorite Moonlight Magic.
Really?
I think
I like
so.
Magic Kingdom.
I mean, Magic Kingdom was nice, but the thing is here was that I think they really restricted it, so there wasn't a ton of people.
It was really limited.
Like, all the lines were walk-ons, which has not been that in the past for any other parks.
Even Slinky Dog was only like 20 minutes, so.
And then we were able to, like, walk up to almost any character and meet almost any character with a very minimal wait time.
And they didn't have as many characters as I thought they were going to have, but we did get to meet Oswald, and I thought that was awesome.
Yeah. And they had some characters that were out and about that weren't on the map listed, which was cool.
Yeah, like Oswald was one of those.
And Clarabelle was another one.
Oh yeah, Horace and Clarabelle.
And which was really nice.
You could meet Ewoks, we didn't meet those. You can meet Bolt. Captain Phasma was supposed to be out, but we didn't see her anywhere.
Yeah. Darth Vader.
Oh yeah, we met Darth Vader. That was cool.
What's his name?
Sweetums.
Sweetums.
From the Muppets.
But I think overall it was a good night.
I think so.
Another thing is that you don't necessarily have to be a DVC member to be here. All you have to do is come as a guest of a DVC member. So
yeah,
again,
so if you have a friend or a family member that's a DVC member, you can come with them.
We want to say huge thanks to Mike and Eva, who actually gave us their extra tickets for myself and Taylor and Donald and Elliot.
Yep.
And
we weren't able to get it under our own membership because it was so limited.
Yeah.
So.
But we came as guests of them, and Don and Elliot came as guests of ours, and so we made it work, which was great.
Yeah, it was awesome.
So, yeah.
So, yeah, I don't know how to end this one, so that's going to be it.